Welcome to the digital world, the tech tutorials channel. In this video, I will show you how you can group the text or any other object in the Canva. So I'll just show you the two methods, one by selecting the two shapes, and in the other case I'll be grouping the text. So first I have taken two shapes randomly, so I'll just change their color. Now I just want you to show you that how you can group these two. So the advantage of grouping the elements or the text is that then they are going to maintain their relative position. So once you will select this both, and the method to selecting both the element is that either you can make a bigger box and select these two items, or in case there are other items on your canvas, then you can click one. By then pressing the shift button, you can select the second one and these two objects will be selected. And once you will select one object, you will see that here the option is position, where meaning by that you can move it left, right, up, down within the canvas. But as soon as I'll select the second option along with position, you would see that there's an option of a group. So I'll just press this and now you can see that they will behave like one group or one element. So this is a one way of doing it. In case of a text, you can again select a text one and then you can select the other text and then do select both of them, and then click these three horizontal dots and from here select the group, and now this text will also stay the same, or now this text will also remain together as one object. In case you want to see how you can curve the text within the Canva, I have made recently a tutorial you can check out, which will be displayed somewhere in the end screen card now. And if you haven't tested the Canva right till now, it is a amazing platform where you can create the video, logos, presentations and social media content, YouTube thumbnails. It is free also, and so with just $36 you can get the additional features. So right now I'm using the free model and I think it is sufficient for everyone who is just starting up his business online. So in any case, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.